Hi, my name is Valerie, and now I'll tell you how to increase the conversion rates of your website and upgrade your support service. All this is possible with Dashley Chatbot. Let's start with the tasks a chatbot can perform. First, collect and qualify leads, even when you're sleeping. If you still don't know what a chatbot is, I'm afraid you're missing out a big chunk of prospects for your business. A website chatbot collects and qualifies leads and adds them to your CRM without the interference of your support people or your salespeople. And the chatbot works 24/7. All the potential prospects are qualified and then carefully passed to your salespeople to proceed with the deal. So you're going to free your people from qualifying the potential leads. Let an online technology, a chatbot, do it for you. So a chatbot can save your sales team thousands of hours on qualification. So no more qualification calls. The sales work straight with the qualified leads, and the qualification is done by a chatbot. That is a straight way to scaling your business. First, you're scaling sales by helping them with the chatbot. Next step is scaling your support processes, because you're going to automate some of the questions using a chatbot as well. So your support people are going to work on the issues that really need the interference of human beings. So chatbot helps engage your customers while they are moving through the website and resolve repetitive questions with chatbots. So a chatbot also gives you plenty of other tools and analytics, which is my favorite. You can check all the data, you can check all the information about your potential prospects, about what they're checking on the website, and you're going to segment all the traffic that's landing your website and then engage them with a particular chatbot. So the chatbot knows what type of segment it is going to talk to, so that the conversation is all about the interests of that particular segment. You're also going to use chatbot to qualify your website visitors with questions and answer options. That is also a huge tool for the segmentation and qualification indeed. Next, you're going to collect your website visitors' contact details, of course, and pass them to the sales team. So that's how your sales team are going to work with the qualified leads already. Also, you can leave easy questions to chatbot, and the support team can focus on high-value leads. A conversation bot is definitely going to route the conversation to the human being, either from the sales team or the support team, when it understands, or when the person it is communicating with understands that it is time for a human being communication. And of course, you can easily create and launch a chatbot on your website under a few minutes. No coding skills required. You can use our chatbot builder. You can craft and customize a bot even without technical or programming knowledge. A comprehensive interface allows creating an online chatbot that answers lead questions, suggests options for the inquiries, and also collects the feedback and routes the conversation to the right person from the support or sales department. So here's how you can create a chatbot under 4 easy and quick steps. First, create messages sent by a chatbot and answer options. Each reply can trigger the next message, sort them in the correct order, and automate conversations from start to finish. Each thread is visualized in a chatbot flow. It makes content creation much more convenient. Next, set triggers and define a timeline for chatbot activation. Choose audience. The conversation window can pop up for every visitor or for particular viewers. Next, set sending status. Define pages on which your users will chat with the bot. And finally, review settings and launch your chatbot. Congratulations, you're ready to collect and qualify leads. If you're not a scriptwriter, or if you're in a hurry, or if you just don't have a clue how to create a chatbot, then you're definitely going to get something ready. That is something that's done for you, for the goals of your business. Dashley has many ready-to-use campaigns ideas with chatbot. So choose what's more suitable for you. A campaign for sales or marketing, or both, or even for product onboarding. So the tool actually suits the goals of any business. Either you're selling something or you're having a SaaS product. So feel free to sign up in Dashly and enjoy 7 days of free trial. You're always welcome to ask your questions in a chatbot, so the support is really friendly. If the chatbot doesn't help you, it's definitely going to route your conversation to a human being and enjoy the help under your fingerprints. So that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are sharing business secrets and hacks for increasing your revenue on a weekly basis. See you!